Here is a sneak peek of our heat test up and coming. We test the ThinkWare U3000 Vantrue N4 Pro, 70Mi AA10, Viofo A229 Plus, A229 Pro, FineView GX 4K, Blackview DR970X Plus, and the Vueroid D21 4K. Here's a little sneak peek of how the FineView and Vueroid do on this heat test.
So up next we have the Vueroid D21 4K and the FineView GX 4K going head to head. So currently the cabinet temperature set for 190, it registers 176. The GX 4K has already shut off in the range of 178 degrees Fahrenheit to 181.9 or 182. The Vueroid is still going strong. It's still on currently. See if we can get a shot of the green light. There we go, it's still on. The other one is already off. So we're probably going to crank it another couple degrees and see if it shuts off finally. So we brought this up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit because it hasn't shut off after a while now, which is the D21. So we're going to let it ride out for the duration of this. It's currently 8 o'clock right now, and we'll check back in about 15-20 minutes.